Welcome back to this After Effects training course. In this lesson, we will discuss how to optimize After Effects. Okay, let's get started. Let's go up to After Effects CC. Let's go to Preferences. Click on General. Now this is our Preferences panel. This is very similar to what you'd see in other programs. It has specific options that you can change to customize it to how you want to use the program. So the first thing we're going to do is go into Previews, and we're going to set it at about 1/4 or 1/8 depending on your computer. I am using a 2.8 gigahertz 8-core Mac Pro with 26 gigs of RAM and a 1 gig graphics card. So for me, these settings work. So I set it at 1/8, and my GPU information is set to 700 megabytes. Now typically what you want to do is set your texture memory to about 70% of what your graphics card memory total is. So mine is 1 gigabyte, so I set it to 700 megabytes. That's 70% of my 1 gigabyte graphics card.